welcome back. This is going to end the Irvington series. Sounds fancy. It's not. But what I have here are 3 videos showing 3 different, very unique makeovers on a low-income rental property here in Tucson. It's over 100 years old. They were little motor courts. So these old motor courts had a lovely history here in the desert Southwest. People would travel from California across the country or vice versa. They would stop at these lovely little motor courts. They were family friendly. Oftentimes they had a pool, and they were really a traveler's best friend. The current owners didn't want to lose that. They didn't want to lose the history. These have beautiful old adobe walls and handmade tiles in many of the places, like the showers. So instead of losing all of that, they've tried to keep as much as they can. However, number 4 was in wretched shape, and I think you'll see that in the first walkthrough. There was an attempt at putting in some insulation. It was carnival red. It was bad. So we saved that one for last, did 1 and 2, got them rented, and then tackled number 4. The idea here was to bring in some natural light because it got very little. So the paint is a light creamy yellow, except in the kitchen and bath, or in the shower area, which I did in a cinnamon color to help add a little bit of warmth and make the black appliances make sense. Okay, let's get started. you'll notice that the floor is different than anything else. And that's because the concrete was in very, very bad shape in some spots. We put in self-leveling concrete, tried to fix some of the issues with cracks in the flooring. But what went over it was two types of it's not really a resin, but it's a kind of paint that's made for like garage floors. It's an epoxy, but it's not quite an epoxy. And then putting in those little paint chips as a finishing because I wanted to hide as much of the damaged floor as I could. Taking that floor out wasn't an option. Putting carpet over it, not an option. Putting laminate flooring over it, not an option. Putting tile down, nope. None of those things could work over the damage that was done in the cracks. So this was as good as we could get it. It's a small place. Furniture will cover a lot of it, but the paint chips add a little bit of durability and texture.